ka mo kwa tsanga teng mo tapile mare ba re go tsentse go palame o tsentse go palame pele o morago be le gone ba bulang ditsela ba botse.
Damn. Okay. So at the end of the day, I'm the one who must find out the truth.
That's why I waiting to do it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So even him like this, is both the mother is also royal.
Yeah.
Mama ha Helene ke wa bogosi. So the mother and the father. Okay. But then the father, Nalene, we are connected kamo sighting ya the father.
Yeah.
So Mangosu too. Okay.
Go rona le connecta na mo sighting ya bontate. Go sighting la bomme mara ka go sighting la bomme wa ga. Le bone ba lo ba re o tsentsa botse go sighting la bone mara ka go bontate ba re next. Ka gore ka go bontate ba re ka gore tsere ba se ba tsere motsanne ba mo etele go pele. Ora gore le tsentse le le tsogona go morago mara ya no ba gabe le ba tsae ba tsana ba tla a botse go tsoko bompe.
Okay. Shit. I get you. Hey. No, I understand. This one is born by one of these ladies, Bakamohan Dwandwe. And then Dwande's uncle. So if the mother is in Dwandwe, now we need to find the father came. But the clue is that the father is one of my dad's brothers. So Mosi, it can still be the father Kizwelitini with one of the sisters, the cousins. Hey, that's what I'm getting revealed now when we are talking.
That's why I
okay.
So let go go no ha when go tsi ya ne ba mo batla bag gore mo bone go bone bag gore ke so tse di tsentse da go 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 kela ena gore ke ka tšhelete gore mo batla tsa pala mafu ke tsone di tsa go tsana le.
No, it's clear now. Yabong. One of these days will come, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
I'm thinking this thing, the Ntaba thing and the Solo thing, one of these days will come so that we can go to that river there. Okay, sharp.
Okay, thank you.
I know there's a plot twist in my journey, and I'm keen to see how this will play out.